Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how and why to integrate Trello with Google Sheets. So for us to be able to proceed, just sign up first or log in onto your Trello account. So onto this tutorial, we're going to use in here Zapier to integrate our Trello account to our Google Sheet account. And if you're wondering why it is better to integrate Trello with Google Sheets, this is actually an efficient way to automate data synchronization between the two platforms. So by setting up Zapier's workflow, you can automatically transfer Trello card details into your Google Sheets, eliminating manual data entry and ensuring real-time updates. So you'll just need to start also by creating a Zapier account. Just head on to zapier.com, sign up onto account, and we're gonna go ahead and create a new Zap. Click onto create in here and click onto Zap. So the first thing that we need to do in here is to add in a trigger. So we'll select the event that starts your Zap. So we're gonna use Trello for that. Search onto the search bar Trello and click onto the Trello option. Now you should be able to choose an app and an event for that. So I've connected my Trello account already in here. So you'll just need to do the same thing onto your end. Choose in an event. So we could use card moves to list in here or new activity. So we're going to click onto new card in here. So that is our trigger. If a new card is added, click onto continue, connect your account, and then add in the trigger. So you'll just need to choose in the board for that. So I'm going to use my master board for this one. Let's do a specific or choose a specific list. We'll use to do, and you could also add in some filter. So just click on to continue right after, and you could do a test for that. So this is actually an optional process. You could skip the test your trigger option in here and proceed to the second action. So since we're trying to connect this with Sheets, just choose Google Sheets in here. Right after, you'll just need to choose an event. So if a new card is added, we're going to go ahead and create a spreadsheet for that. So we're going to click on to create a blank spreadsheet in here for that one. And then let's click on to continue and connect our Google Sheet account. Then click on to continue right after and just choose in the title of your spreadsheet. So we're going to use new card in here, or you could simply type in that here. Right after, you could also choose a spreadsheet to copy. You'll just need to type in the value for that. Use this untitled spreadsheet, add in a header, and just click on to continue right after. Now to test this, you need to go ahead and create a new spreadsheet in here. So this is what will be created. You'll just need to test this step. And as you can see, a spreadsheet was sent to Google Sheet in here. So you'll just need to head onto your Google Sheets, refresh this, and try to see if it has created or zap. You can see here onto my sheet, I have created a new spreadsheet that has a new card name. And that is just basically it, how you go ahead and integrate your Trello account with Google Sheets. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.